Thais Carter, Director of Content for Advanced Star Dental Media, and we are here at the ADA Annual Session in Las Vegas, Nevada. This morning we are at the Technology Expo, where we are interviewing the different Pride Institute Best of Class honorees. Right now we are at the SomnoMed booth with Anthony White, the VP of Marketing for SomnoMed Academy. And Anthony, what does it feel like to be kind of recognized among a pretty excellent group of products for this year?
Yeah, absolutely. We're delighted to be part of the exhibit here and the next few days. This is actually our first time at the ADA exhibit, and certainly an honour to be part of the emerging technology category as well.
So Anthony, I know that, fewer dentists at home and fewer dentists here are very familiar with SomnoMed. So can you kind of just give us an intro and kind of take us into kind of what you guys do?
Absolutely. And in fact, I actually have our global CEO, Ralph Barshow, here as well. So I'd like to introduce Ralph to provide a little bit more of a company introduction.
Come on, Ralph.
Fantastic.
So we're now here with Ralph Barshow, who's the global CEO for SomnoMed. And Ralph, what I was hoping you could do for us is, SomnoMed is new to a lot of dentists here at the show and to those watching at home. So can you just set up for us kind of what you guys do and what you bring to the market?
Of course, SomnoMed is a company founded in 2004 in Australia, publicly listed, and we are the only company specialized in sleep apnea treatment. New to dentists, that's right, but we are operating worldwide in 23 countries, and we have now successfully launched 70,000 of what we call SomnoDent sleep apnea appliance.
Awesome.
SomnoMed is new in such a way that sleep apnea is now an area for dentistry which becomes more and more popular, and dentists who are knowledgeable in sleep apnea treatment are the right person to talk to when it comes to a wider range of treatment options.
Well, Ralph, thank you for giving us kind of that quick bio. I know that we want to get into the system itself and what that means for the dentist, so I'm going to introduce your colleague, Pete Santisham. So, Pete, I was really excited to do this segment of the interview because I know that sleep apnea and sleep medicine has been a very hot trend with our readers, but one of the things with, any new trend is making sure that you don't just jump into it blind, but that you actually know what you're doing and are identifying the right patients on whom to, propose this treatment and execute the treatment. And it seems like your product really helps the dentist to do that. So could you kind of take us through the process?
Sure, absolutely. I mean, we believe that patient selection is the key to this opportunity. And in fact, with Matrix, we say two professions, one physician, one dentist, one solution, and that solution's Matrix. And the process starts with temporary trays. A dentist creates essentially a temporary device for the patient, does an assessment, then the patient and the trays are sent to their local sleep center for an attended sleep study.
Right.
At that sleep center, the sleep techs and the sleep physician will use this device, which is called a mandibular positioner. They will attach the custom trays to that device, and then using the device will actually titrate through the evening and identify if the patient will or will not respond to protruding the mandible. More importantly, if they do respond, and in at least 50% of the cases they will, what is the optimum protrusive distance? So how far beyond edge to edge do we need to go to get effective therapy?
Right.
Okay? So from there, patient would then come back to their dentist with their trays in hand, and then using the trays, the dentist can quickly and easily set up a SomnoDent appliance.
Excellent.
And really, that's the most important part of it. How do we get to a quick therapeutic target?
Right.
And with Matrix, we can now do that.
Well, Pete, thank you so much for your time this morning. And remember, at home, getting into something like this, you have to have the right product and the right information. So for more on SomnoMed Matrix and the other Pride Institute Best of Class honorees, visit www.dentalproductsreport.com.